So this will be our final bite size on collaborative questioning and looking at how we can grow collaborative thinking and collaborative talk in the classroom. This one is called Say It Again Better. The idea behind this is to engage students in using accurate subject terminology and key terms so that the better that they can talk about these key terms, hopefully the better they understand them and the more chance they have of replicating them in the future. So the process, as ever, starts with asking the class a question. So inviting them to think about the lesson content. Again, maybe using cold calling as a strategy, but aiming that question at everyone in the room. And again, if we're using cold calling, highlighting that we'll choose anyone for a response. So when that response comes in, it's about acknowledging that response. It's about being as positive as we can be about the response. If it is completely wrong, it might be, love your effort here, but let's see how we can get it right. Or if it's on the right lines, it might be, yeah, that's okay, it's a good start, but let's now develop it further. Especially if they're on the right lines, but they're just missing some of that key terminology. We're looking here to give, therefore, then some supportive and some formative feedback. So we're going to invite them to be more specific within their response. So words along the lines of, what's the more formal term for that? Or can you include a reason for that opinion to back it up? Aim for, I believe X is true because ... So we're giving that supportive feedback, but also the formative nature of our questions back give the students a scaffold upon which they can grow a better response. From here, then, we are going to invite them to say it again better. So after exploring what that better answer might include, we're going to ask the same student to say it again better. So using the correct terminology, using the key terms, showing that they've understood the key terminology, as well as having another practice opportunity as well. What this also does is it allows the rest of the group, all of the other students, to understand how to apply that key terminology as accurately as possible. Finally, then, we're going to respond to that improved response. So we are going to make a decision. Is it sufficiently improved? So we give some affirmative praise, or are we going to probe and try and get more depth if greater accuracy is needed? I mean, it could be that we repeat the feedback process and ask for a further response. Essentially, though, that the whole process itself will demonstrate that all students are capable of excellent answers, and actually that then builds confidence, it builds familiarity, and it probably builds the chance that they're going to remember exactly what it is that you need them to learn in that lesson. Again, hope that's been helpful. As ever, any questions, please just get in touch, and good luck with it.